The main body consists of the main structural component and the two fuel tanks. The first stage of manufacturing is melting of scrap aluminum in an electric furnace to cast a long sheet of metal. Next, the parts are annealed via a large annealing machine to have the correct curvature. The main body is made out of 5 segments, with each segment consisting of 8 large aluminum panels. Primary milling consists of milling out a grid pattern made of triangles. This helps reduce the weight of the panels while maintaining each panel's structural integrity. The 8 aluminum pieces are then held in place with a hydraulic clamp that ensures the 2 segments are aligned, and then welded together via friction welding. This process is repeated 2 more times to create a conical section.
The liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen fuel tanks are constructed using a similar process. The primary milling in this case consists of milling out a grid pattern of squares. A chemical erosion process is used for fine material removal. The aluminum segments for both the tanks and the main body are then welded together at the McCoy Assembly Facility's Vertical Weld Center. The 5 large segments are stacked on top of each other one by one and friction welded together in vertical succession. The main body is then assembled with the SRB and the Orion capsule at final assembly near Cape Canaveral, Florida launch site, and then launched.